You pull the other things inside. Pull it. Put it inside. Wow. Wow. Meow. Uh-oh. I'll help you. I'll help you. Okay. This one is a star. This one is a star. Here, this one is a star. Yan. See? Wow! Yay! Good girl. Uh-oh. So today Jasmine is 1 year and 8 months on the 29th. It's already on the 21st. So 1 week to go and she'll be 1 year and 8 months. Oh my God! Oh, very good. No, 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 it's right here. See? Wow. Square. Perfect. It's right here. Yeah. It's right. Oh, see? No. Here, baby, here. No more. It's a square. Square is right here. All right. Go, Miami. Go, Miami. Go, go, go. Did you cheer for Miami earlier? Jasmine? She's busy. Don't disturb me, Mama. She was cheering for Miami earlier. She's screaming as loud as my scream. Oh! Can you cheer for Miami? Later, she's gonna throw everything. She get pissed off. Wow. Wow. Uh-oh. One, can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uh-oh. Oh, anak. Kiss. Kiyomi. Can you show me your Kiyomi? Meow. Wrong. On the other side. Ah, very good. See? Okay. We'll see how long she's gonna have. She's gonna enjoy playing this toy. That's from Dada. Where you going? Where are you going? Put it there. You give it to Mama. You're giving it to Mama. Thank you. Oh. Cover it. Uh-oh. What's that? It's right here. No, here. Here. Oh. They're the same shape. She heard the coins. She likes the coins. Are you busy, baby? Little Jasmine is so busy. Wow. Wow. Lots of blocks inside. Can you count them? 1, 2, 3. She don't want to count them. Oh, cover it. Cover. Put it there. Keep this. Put it there. In your toys. There. It's a square. Where's the square? A pink. What is that pink? Yeah. The square is this one, baby. No. Don't. Yeah, see? It's perfectly fit. See? Very good, Mrs. Jasmine. That's a star. It's a blue star. The star is right here. In the center. Here. This one. Try it. Oh. See? Oh, again. Because they're both same shape. They got the same shape. No. 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 It's right here. See? It goes inside. Stop. Okay, I'll help you. Good girl. Good girl, Jasmine. You keep them now if you finish later, huh? is the shape already. I just wanted to try on the other holes. Just wondering. No, 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 no. 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 She can go to the circle. No. 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 Ahem, ahem. 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 Ahem, 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 ahem. Ay, choo, choo, choo. Your coffee? Ham. You say ham. Jasmine. Can you open the TV? Turn on the TV. Turn on the TV. Turn on the TV. TV. Come on. Turn it on. Mama wants to watch news. Come on. Turn it on. Get the remote. Give the remote to Mama. Meow. Where is Jasmine? Uh-oh! Put it back. Put it back, baby. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Green. Uh-oh. Can you turn on the TV? Let's watch Baby Baby. Baby TV. Baby Jasmine. Yeah, there. Good girl. Later again, I'll post and capture some of her crazy baby acts later. She's gonna do something else.